Imagine you're trying to connect with a client, but your phone is dead. Or maybe you're working from home and need to be reachable at all times. What do? That's where RingCentral comes in. It's a powerful cloud-based communication platform that lets you make and receive calls, send and receive messages, and even hold video conferences right from your computer. Today, we're going to show you how to install RingCentral on your PC. But before we dive into the installation process, let's talk about why you might want to use RingCentral. Benefits of RingCentral. Flexibility. Use RingCentral on your PC, smartphone, or even a dedicated desk phone. Features. Enjoy features like call forwarding, voicemail to email, and call recording. Integration. Connect RingCentral with other tools you use, like CRM software. Installation process. Now let's get to the fun part. Installing RingCentral. Download the RingCentral app. Visit the RingCentral website and download the app for your PC. Create an account. If you don't have one already, create a RingCentral account. Sign in. Log into your account using the credentials you created. Add a device. Follow the prompts to add your PC as a device. Configure settings. Customize your RingCentral settings, such as call forwarding and voicemail. Troubleshooting. Things don't always go smoothly. Here are some common issues you might encounter and how to fix them. Connectivity problems. Ensure you have a stable internet connection. Audio issues. Check your microphone and speaker settings. Installation errors. Try reinstalling the app or contacting RingCentral support. Additional tips. Here are a few extra tips to help you get the most out of RingCentral. Use RingCentral's features. Explore features like call recording and call forwarding to streamline your workflow. Integrate with other tools. Connect RingCentral with your CRM or other business software. Attend RingCentral webinars. Learn more about RingCentral and its features by attending webinars. RingCentral is a powerful tool that can help you stay connected and productive. By following the steps we outlined today, you can easily install RingCentral on your PC and start enjoying its benefits. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep communicating.